Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch. Apple is known for releasing high-quality laptops, and the MacBook Pro 16-inch is expected to be no different. It is rumored to feature Apple's new M3 chip, which promises to offer superior performance and efficiency. Additionally, it may come with a mini LED display, a new keyboard design, and improved battery life. Microsoft Surface Laptop 5. Microsoft Surface Laptop series has been a hit with consumers and professionals alike. The Surface Laptop 5 is expected to come with an improved processor, increased RAM, and a high-resolution display. Additionally, it may feature a new design and better connectivity options. Dell XPS 15. The Dell XPS series has been a favorite among many for its excellent performance, sleek design, and high-quality display. The XPS 15 is expected to receive a refresh in 2023 with an improved processor, graphics card, and display. It may also feature a redesigned keyboard and better cooling. HP Spectre X360 15. The HP Spectre X360 series is known for its versatility and performance. The Spectre X360 15 is expected to come with an improved processor, graphics card, and display. Additionally, it may feature a new design, better connectivity options, and improved battery life. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon series is known for its durability, performance, and excellent keyboard. The 2023 model is expected to feature a more powerful processor, better graphics card, and improved display. Additionally, it may come with a new design and better connectivity options. These are just some of the top laptops expected to receive attention and high reviews on YouTube in 2023. However, it's worth noting that new models may be released or unexpected models may catch the attention of reviewers and consumers. Top 5 Mobile Reviews 2023. As an AI language model, I don't have personal preferences or opinions, but I can provide you with the top 5 mobile phone models that are expected to receive high reviews and attention on YouTube in 2023 based on the current industry trends and projections. Apple iPhone 14. Apple is known for releasing high-quality smartphones, and the iPhone 14 is expected to be no different. It is rumored to come with a new design, improved camera system, and a faster processor. Additionally, it may feature a larger battery and better connectivity options. Samsung Galaxy S23. Samsung's Galaxy S series has been a hit with consumers and professionals alike. The Galaxy S23 is expected to come with an improved processor, increased RAM, and a high-quality display. Additionally, it may feature a new design and better camera system. Google Pixel 7. The Google Pixel series is known for its excellent camera system and clean software. The Pixel 7 is expected to come with an improved camera system, faster processor, and better battery life. Additionally, it may feature a new design and better connectivity options. OnePlus 11. The OnePlus series has been a favorite among many for its excellent performance and value. The OnePlus 11 is expected to come with an improved processor, increased RAM, and a high-quality display. Additionally, it may feature a new design and better camera system. Xiaomi Mi 13. Xiaomi is known for releasing smartphones with high-end features at an affordable price point. The Mi 13 is expected to come with an improved processor, better camera system, and a high-quality display. Additionally, it may feature a new design and better connectivity options.